Hello again. Today we are making line plots. Lesson 7, page 693. A line plot is a number line that has X's above it to stand for the answers to a survey question. So each X would stand for one vote or one answer. So for this line plot, a little boy named Chase asked 10 students how many servings of fruit and vegetables they eat each day. So 3 people eat 2 servings. So we look at our number line and we have to find the 2. And we are going to put 2 X's above the number 2 because 3 X's above the number 2 because 3 people say they eat 2 servings a day. 1 X, and then I go on top and make another X. 3 X's for 3 votes, or 3 answers of 2 servings of vegetables a day. 6 people eat 5 servings. So I have to put 6 X's above my number 5 on my number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 answers over the number 5. And 1 person eats 7 servings a day. So we're going to put 1 X over the number 7. So when I'm looking at my line plot, I can see that 5 servings is the most popular vote because there's more plots. I see a longer line of X's. So when you're done that, you're going to turn to the next page, our See and Show page, and we're going to make some more line plots. Let's take a second and read about a line plot. A line plot is a way to organize data. Line plots are used to see how often a certain number occurs in data. So Mr. Sun's students marked their ages on a tally chart. Then they made a line plot using the data. So they had some 7-year-olds, some 8-year-olds, and some 9-year-olds. What age has the most? Well, I look at that and I can see very quickly and easily that there are more 8-year-olds than anything in Mr. Sun's class. So I can look at my 7-year-olds. There's 1, 2, 3 7-year-olds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 8-year-olds, and 2 9-year-olds. So now we want to see how many pets students have. So there are 2 students with 1 pet. So we're going to put 2 X's for our line plot over the number 1. And then I look at number 2, and there are 3 tally marks. So I know 2 needs 3 plots. 3, I see 2 tallies. So I'm going to put 2 X's for 2 answers. And there is 1 person with 4 pets. I'm going to put 1x. And the next question was how many students have sisters? So there are 2 students with 0 sisters. So I find 0 on my number line. And I make 2 x's. Make that a little neater. 1, 2, 3 students have 1 sister. So I need 1, 2, 3. And then I look at how many students have 3 sisters? Just 1. So I'm going to skip 2 because we don't have any students with 2. And we're going to come over to my number 3 and put 1x. Because one vote or one answer for, it's not a vote, it's an answer for 3 sisters. Because this isn't their favorite choice. This is just asking them a question. How many pets they have? How many sisters do they have? And they asked how many had 4 sisters, but no one could answer that. So we are done this line plot. So be thinking to yourself, how are line plots similar to tally charts? And then you can move on to on my own. You have 3 different tally charts, and you're going to use the data for that to complete your line plots. I think you guys will do a great job with this. Have a wonderful day.